Hey guys, so these are the things you're going to be needing for this video. First off, I'm just showing you guys the hair. I'm going to be using one bundle from the packet of braiding hair, and then I'm going to cut it into two, and I'm just going to unravel it and start snatching the hair. I have a lot of tutorials on me snatching hair, so I'm just going to be really quick with these, and I'll link them down below. After that, you're just going to brush your hair, brush everything out so that it's smooth and it's nice, and you have no tangles in the hair. Now that our hair is ready, we're going to go into the next step. You're going to need your rubber band, and you're going to need the one with the no snap so that it doesn't cut when you try to stretch it out, and that's basically it. So what you're going to do, as you've seen me before, is just loop hair onto the rubber band. You're going to take them in smaller bundles, and you're going to just loop them as you would crochet hair, but this one you just do it on the rubber band directly. I do have a detailed tutorial on this, so I'm going to link that down so that you go check it out. After that, I'm just going to trim the hair where need be, and then I'm going to proceed to braid the hair. I'm not doing anything much. I'm just going to do 3 fat braids so we get the hair moving and everything. If you want your curls to be tighter and smaller, you can do smaller, but I just wanted them big and fat. I'm going to go in with some hair grease, and I'm just going to oil the hair down, and then I'm going to put it into the bowl. I'm going to pour some water into the bowl, and then using my hairbrush, I'm going to make sure everything is settled down nicely. After 5 minutes, you're going to take out the hair from the bowl, and then you're just going to dry it down with the towel. I left mine overnight, so it's really dry, and the next day I just come back to loosen the hair. After doing that, to make the hair really big and fluffy, you're just going to loosen up the curls by opening them up very gently so that you do not mess it up or make it rough or anything. This is what your hair should look like, and since we're done with the hair, I'm going to proceed into actually doing the foundation. So I'm starting by parting my hair from ear to ear. I'm going to further separate the hair into 2 parts. Some motivation. I had to go figure out how to do this shade because it was high-key very stressful, but I'm back now, and here is the tutorial. Okay, so first you're going to part your hair into like the small triangle by your ear, so you just pat that down, and then you tie it with the rubber band, and then watch carefully, you have to part your hair into 2. I'm going to pin one at the back so that I work on one. So this first one, I'm going to separate it into 2. I'm going to tie a rubber band at the front and leave the other one. I'm going to take the second one, and then I'm going to tie it at the front again so that I can crisscross the 2 fronts with the ones at the back. I'm going to repeat the same process all over again, and that is basically it. So if you do want your parts to be more shiny and more defined, you use gel. My hair doesn't really like so much product, so I avoid it. Once you're done with the last one, you're free to move to the next section, which is the back of your hair. So I just took a white tooth comb and I combed my hair at the back, and then I applied gel generously to my hair, and I just brushed everything together and I put it in a ponytail or pony bun, whichever one. And then to attach the front part to the back part, I'm just going to gel the ends, and I'm going to tie them or attach them to the ponytail, and then I'm going to use a brush to just smooth everything over. So it's looking good. I'm going to go in with some edge control, and I'm just going to lay down my edges to have them looking crisp. I'm going to tie them down, and then I'm going to take care of makeup. So I'm back, and all you're going to do is just tie it to your hair as you would with a normal rubber band. And then when you're done, you're going to take one part, and then you're just going to wrap it around your hair, and then if need be, you use some bobby pins and pin your hair into place. So I'm done, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to stream Normani on all platforms. I'm going to link it down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye.